There we go. It's not the pinnacle of recording software anymore. Right. Hopefully the frame rate's as good as it was yesterday. Yeah, respawning stuff. This bodes well. I think a trouble with this game is it's going to be so massive, because it looks like there's quite some big open areas, and it's going to be, I don't know, it's going to make for quite a long playthrough, I reckon. Even though howlongtobeat.com says it's like 10 hours or something in total. I'm not sure. Then again, I suppose that's good for this kind of game. Secrets behind the building. What is that? It's obviously something. I guess later. You know what else is later? Me going in that water. Because, oi! I thought you shoot twice. It's a bridge. It deserves a cutscene. Oh no. However, am I going to navigate this? This is very treacherous. It is for them anyway. I was looking at the chat and nearly fell off. Pardon moi. I don't like the fireball, I mean the flamethrower. I like blowing stuff up better. Ah, what the... The audio quality suddenly changed. It feels like one of my ears just popped, but I don't think it did. I keep almost falling off edges. Why does this happen to me? Oh. Even though enemies respawn and you can get limitless bolts, I need to destroy everything. OCD. So I don't know what the point of scattering like 1 or 2 bolts around is, where you can get tons of them anyway. I suppose that is something. I didn't figure out what I was going to say before I started saying it, so I don't know. Don't shoot forward. Oi! Whoa!
Don't hurt me.
He exploded.
What are you? Mercenaries?
I'm the main
Torturers?
character.
Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got.
Another one.
We're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
We're not ass. I'm ass. So I've got two of them.
Has this ever happened to you?
Yeah?
Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and
Why?
knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse.
He's got a
If
butt
Al
chin.
can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal.
Yeah.
So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs.
Okay, I will.
Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic.
It's called Big Al's Robo Shack, you idiot.
Do you know what this means?
It means we're going somewhere.
Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
We do.
A ship?
It died.
You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have coordinates
Whatever.
between the planets, you can use your ship. Press the select button to bring up the map. Your ship is marked with a star.
What if I don't want a starship? Oh wait. I just realised. Since it's a ship, maybe that's why it's marked with a star, so that you think it's a starship. Enterprise. That's very clever on the developer's part. And if that wasn't their intention, that's very clever on my part for figuring that out. Figuring things out where there is nothing to be figured out. So where is my ship? It's nowhere. Oh, all missions complete. I was trying to figure out what that word was. It looks like FNL or something. Anyway. I don't know where that is. I don't know where that is. I don't know where this is. Oi! How do I keep missing these boxes? Alright. Oh, I saw more. I went all that way for one. Now I guess I'll go in the water and see what we can see underneath the sea. Probably some sea men. What? Run! If this is all there's going to be down here, just a single bolt occasionally, I could make more money by just loading my game and stuff. Well, I guess the water is quite useless, but I am going to run all the way back because there was an open pipe thingy. See if it goes anywhere. I suppose this is one of the reasons that I shouldn't do blind playthroughs anymore, because there's too much exploring to be done. The other reason is if I know what's going to happen, I can be more prepared with good commentary and wittiness. Oh, let me in. No, it's an invisible wall bag. Oh well. At least this will take me all the way back. There's not even any treasure down here. Why would anyone remember that bridge? It's rubbish. It's the worst craftsmanship I've seen ever. With the possible exception of Crash Twin Sanity. Oh, not that again. Can I get in the ship, please? How do I get in such a thing? It probably told me how. Oh, I thought this one blew up. More stuff. More stuff. No, Paul, you've been this way before. More stuff. There's something. I don't care if it's in the water. That's where I draw the line. Die, ship. I just fixed it a bit first with my wrench. Yeah, Clank, hurry up and get in. Outpost times 11. Does that mean there's 11 things to do there? No, it doesn't. Great, I don't know where I want to go. I think that's where we are. I think I've been there. Oh no. Oh, I guess it. What?